My name is Scott Isaksen. I'm with Essency Water Heaters, and we're here in Orlando at the AHR Expo. I want to talk to you about our EXR. EXR product, the core reason we built this product was so that consumers had a more durable water heater. Water heaters are typically lasting 8 years or less. This is going to last you 30, and it gives you a 20-year warranty. It's a high capacity product, a durable product. One of the reasons it's durable is because it's made of a polymer. It's also not pressurized, so a couple things that are different between our product and a standard tank water heater. Those are those. It's the fact that it's a polymer and it's not under pressure. It's very important in the lifespan of this product. If you are a regular user of our product or if you've seen it around, you'll notice it looks a little bit different now. So it's a refreshed version of the EXR, the latest model. Some of the older models had some other kind of colors in here, the copper band that you might have seen here, and it's not there anymore. Another feature of this product is that you've got built-in handles that makes it easy to maneuver, to handle it. It weighs only 100 pounds. Got the handles, and in this latest version we've added another set of handles, so down low and up high, so it's easy to move around. It's easy to install. If you're familiar installing a standard electric water heater, this is as easy, if not easier. The other couple of new features that we've got on this water heater, you'll notice the finish looks a little bit different. The connection box on the electrical side is a lot easier. There's more room for your hands to get in there, so that part is a lot easier to do now. And that's it. It's the EXR, the latest version, and we're launching this product now. You'll start seeing it in the market.